Yellow, how's it going, guys? Thank you for watching. For this video, I'm going to attempt to live stream. I'm sorry. I'm going to attempt to live trade. Now, I've been having some issues just immediately right now when I was trying to start. For whatever reason, my streaming platform wasn't working. So as we kind of go through this, I'm going to try to fix it. So excuse me, but thought I was ready. Another thing that happened is in my little chat box, it's not showing up. So I'm gonna try track you guys' chat over here. And, hopefully this thing works. But yeah, if you guys are jumping in, appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I am going to admit that I'm very nervous because this is going to be my first day trading in front of you guys. Again, I kind of covered a little bit on the last stream that I did, but let's see if I can update the information here. But I only have $1,000 in this account, the TD Ameritrade Think or Swim platform. So I don't think I'm able to do day trades. So primary thing that I'm going to focus on today is watch the positions that I have on Robinhood. And so if anything starts to slip, I might end up having to sell at least some of the shares if it gets a little bit crazy. But if it goes up, I'm probably just going to kind of monitor and not really worry about it. But as far as the actual trading, I'm going to attempt to do some trades, but I'm not going to force a trade. So if I don't do anything today, because I only really plan to do the first hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. But if I can't get anything done in that time, then it's just going to be, it's a learning process. So hopefully you guys are here. This is mostly entertainment. It's not advice. So hopefully you guys are here just to kind of observe, see what happens, maybe learn from mistakes that I might make, and if you know something that I don't, maybe you can let me know on the comment on this chat. Let me know if you think that I'm doing something right or something wrong. And yeah, thank you. Appreciate it for you guys being here. Hopefully, I don't bore you guys too much. But I am getting some technical issues here with the live stream. So hopefully this thing is working. Anybody? Can you guys hear me? Is the audio okay? All right. So hopefully everything is working. It looks like it's working now. And let me go into my. Well, actually, you know what? I do want to put a chat box in here. So I got to put a new one. Give me 1 second, just so at least you guys can see what if anybody comes in and makes a comment, then you guys can check it out and see it. I mean, you should be able to see it on the chat box, anyways. But let's see if this works. Let's call it a YouTube chat. Okay. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I don't need it. How do I even get it up? Oosh. Hold on 1 second, guys. Maybe I should put some music in the back. Hmm. It's not working for whatever reason. Oh, there it is. Let's cool. Hold on 1 second, guys. I can't really tell if anybody's watching right now. All right. If I can't get this thing working soon, then I'm just gonna not worry about it. Looks like it's not gonna work. Let's see. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. How's 500? Oh, still too wide. Yeah, that's good enough for now. And it's sounding kind of quiet, so I'm gonna put some music. I have to make sure that it's copy. What do you call that? I forget. Let's try this guy, Mark. I'm gonna play Mark Clark's music. Royalty free, that's the word right there. So this is gonna be royalty free music, so I don't get tagged on my YouTube. Try it out. Maybe not this one. Okay, so this is gonna be my portfolio on Robinhood right here. Ooh. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. So first, before we start looking at, actually, you know what? Let's look at my strategy here for looking at new stock. Right, so I'm gonna look at the stock with the most volume here on the use and use pre-market movers. On that, arrange it by heaviest volume. Just these right here, and we'll make a really quick text so I can replace that watch list on top. So we'll do ship. We'll do a pop. RTER. SPY. I don't think I'll be buying SPY. This is so expensive. So it is one of the ones that people like to use for day trading. Dallas. SPXS. And then we'll do one more just to control copy these right here. Go to the watch list. Over here today, and then I'm gonna edit today. Import. I'll import by paste and okay. That's gonna clear the ones that I did before, and it's gonna load the ones that I'm using now. And we are doing the enter day, so every minute. So we'll go over to the flexible grid, and let's we'll put this on the day, on the 1 minute, 1 day, 1 minute, 1 day, 1 minute, and then for this the studies we load the intraday. Load the intraday, and then we're going to zoom out. Too much stuff. Yeah. So I closed this one already, and then we're going to do ship. What did I do? What happened? Oh, I'm sorry. That was set up from earlier. So we're going to open up the personal today. Yeah, I was wondering whether there was so many. And then we'll go by volume first just to kind of check it out. Okay, so ships up front. Let's see. It looks like it did a big drop already. I'm gonna zoom out. Try to mark the top and bottoms. I'm going on 5 day. 5 day, 5 minutes. Just do. Okay. So you can see right here, that's a close. We'll put one. See how it exploded right here. So we put a line right there. That's going to be the support. That's the top right here. This previous high. We'll do one more right here. It looks like it's been struggling to pass this one. These are just general areas. It's not like that specific price. This is the aftermarket yesterday, so let's check that out. It's pretty close. This is pretty close. So you can see it's looking pretty consistent. I don't know if we're going to get too much more action from here. It looks like the volume is dropping quickly. But let's say let's put an alarm right here, and hopefully, if it drops below this line, we can come back, look at it, and see if it's going to do anything interesting. Below. Okay, so I'm looking at this right here, right, and then we'll also see if it goes past this last top to create an alarm, and if it goes above that. Okay, good. Now we have two alarms. So this is the stream, the channel that we're expecting to stay within. If it goes up or down on either of those, then we can take a look at it. I can't short because I only have a cash account, so I'm very limited on what I can do. First, I only have $1,000. I don't plan to do more than $10 or one share of any stock that I buy, because I'm still practicing. I am gonna make mistakes. The point of this is to be able to see, kind of go through my strategy and see if it's working for me or not. See how it bounced. So this is going to be another resistance right here. Sorry, another resistance support. It looks like this might be another support. So I'm gonna move that alarm a little bit higher. Right there. Okay, so this is Energy Muddy. What's it doing? Oh, okay. You know what? I'm gonna go back to this one because it's gonna look a little bit too. I'm sorry. Looking a little bit too complicated. And again, we'll go 1 minute. Okay. Okay. There we go. Select biotechnology. Let's go 5 days. Ooh, so that's why it was a big move. Alright, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to do too much with this, but you can see there's a resistance here. Just support for that. It might drop all the way back there, but I don't know. We'll put a resistance up here, right here too, and then this is going to be one of the supports, and then see how it's coming back up. I am tempted to go in there, but see that? See? So it's most likely going to be a lower low. I don't want to push it though. I'm just going to watch it. I'm going to observe this. Okay. So again, I don't think I'm going to be doing too many trades just because I'm so limited on what I can do. But hopefully, you know what? I'm going to start making notes. So I can just see. Maybe I should down paper money then. I am nervous, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I am nervous. It looks like this is the bottom, so this is what I'm getting, right? So you can see this is going to be the channel. It came past this, and so now I'm thinking it's going to do that all the way down. If I could short, I'll probably wait for it to hit the top right here, short it, and then just do that all day. I don't know. See, you can see I'm going to show you that this is one of the breakouts here in the pre-market. So what's going to happen, I think it's going to follow this channel. This channel, something like that. It's probably going to hit this and then come back down. You know what I mean? So we'll watch that. And then let's go to RTTR. We do the 5 days, zoom out. See, you can tell this one, I've been tracking this one for a while. Last week, I think. And so, we're doing some crazy stuff. Look at this. I don't even know how much I should go. Let's go day before. I don't wanna overanalyze, you know what I mean? So we keep that right there. That's one of the resistance. I hit a resistance right here. I'm not looking at the candlesticks. I'm not looking at the wicks. I'm looking at the tops and bottoms of the candlesticks. This one is so obvious right here. That's the resistance. Okay, and then that was support right here. So you can tell this one's going to drop down, but I don't know if it's going to be a straight drop. See right there, it's dropping. See that? This is the bottom right here. I wonder if it's going to go past this. Let's watch it for a little bit. It looks like there's heavy volume. So I wonder if this one's going to... Nope. This right here. I'm looking at the 5 minutes. So it's not. Let's watch that a little bit. Okay. See, it's coming back up. So this is going to be a resistance right here. And I'm assuming it's going to follow some kind of a channel down. Right? I mean, the thing, it is going up though. Right now it's in an uptrend. I wonder if it's going to continue to follow this trend right here. Oh, it seems a little bit too wild. See that? You know what? I don't want to spend $200. I'm going to clear this one. Okay, I'll leave that for now. But okay, so this one crossed already. See that? So that's the lower low right here. It looks like it's doing a downtrend, maybe something like this. Yeah. We'll find out soon. Okay, look at this thing. That's what, 430 to somewhere around 520. That's 40 cents. Let's put an alarm on this one. So if this one goes below, which should, because it was such a big spike yesterday. So we'll see if this one goes below this one. And I don't know if we're gonna go past this line. Doesn't look like it. It looks like it's struggling to go past that. Oh, I don't know. Look at that. Okay, so maybe this is gonna be the top. So if we go above that. Oh, there we go. What's gonna happen next? Okay, so we put that alarm on those two. Did I put alarm on this? No. So right now I'm assuming this is gonna be the bottom right here. Support. So anything below that, let me know. Okay, and then right here, anything above this one. Above. That's QQQ. Let's go back. Oh, this was straight downtrend the entire time. And let's look at the last time. This is an obvious. There's a support line right here. Look at that. Here for the resistance. Maybe one more right here. And this one's pretty close, so I'll leave that alone. What's this? Could it go all the way down here? Maybe, huh? I never know. Shut up. This might be one. This might be another one. What are we looking at here? From 10.95 to 30 cents. Not too. And then we got United Airlines. Obviously they've been struggling. Let's see what kind of action we got going. Look at that. The close from yesterday is the current resistance. This is pretty obvious line right here. Right now it's over here somewhere, so let's use that. That's the bottom for now. The top, bottom. This is straight up downtrend. This is a very obvious downtrend. Looks like some kind of consolidation. Yeah, I don't know what to make about this one. It looks like let's see if he goes below here. Below. And then I mean I struggle to go past this line, so let's see if he goes above it. Create above. Okay, so I did get a notification that one of my ring, this one right here, it's above 269, so that's good. It's good when it tells me it's going up. But I'll check that in a little bit. Look at XFL. Okay, very volatile. I mean, that's good for day trading, right? Not too much on the volume, so I don't know if that's going to help us. We'll do this. This is the top of the pre-market. It's way down here. Looks like it's going to keep dropping. Yeah, this is very pretty. This is the resistance here. This is support. Let's get a little closer and see if it looks like anything. Alright, oops. Right there. Okay, so I don't know. I think it's going to come down below this. This market just in case. This is going to be the line that we're looking at right here. Above. We got Dallas, not that, I keep saying Dallas, Delta Airlines. Let's see, they're very volatile right now, just like United. So let's look at the last day, and man, it's weird on here, right? These guys are really struggling, man. My brother-in-law works for an airline, so thankfully he's got enough seniority that he was able to kind of stick around as everybody is doing furloughs and laying people off. But he's saying that he just shows up to work. Oh, my sister told me that he shows up to work and basically just walk around and clean or try to get some exercise walking down the maybe not the tarmac, but basically acting like tourists around the LAX. Yeah, so let's see. Is this anything right here? Not really. Let me put some more music. Where's it at? YouTube audio library. And we are going to, Natasha has a couple of nice songs, and we'll put those on the playlist. Oh, not that. I'm gonna close it and then open it up again. There it is. A little trap sounding music for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. Alright, so let's get back to this. And we'll do this direction downtrend but volatile. So let's see what we can do with this. This is the top right here. And you can tell it dropped big time in the previous aftermarket hours. Or pre-market, I don't know which one it is. Okay, and this seems kind of significant here. Obviously the bottom. It might reach there today, and it might even go past it. Let's see. So obviously, just what I'm doing is a lot of the technical analysis, just kind of looking at the map, at the graphs, and see how they're reacting. So RTT market is below RTT right here. Okay, so it went below that, so it broke that pattern right there. Is it gonna hit this line? Okay. So far, I'm still learning, but so far, as soon as it breaks a pattern significantly, right now it hasn't really broken it significantly, but these wicks. Let's see what happens right there. I think it's gonna go below it. It's already broke this support line right here, so all right. I know I should put some money into some of these guys, but I am very nervous. Okay, I'll pick one. For one, and then try to get it. See, this one's following this line pretty good. This one's looking good, plus it's cheap. And how much more can it go? So like if it crosses this one, it's probably gonna go down to here. So it's on 15.6. 156 to 154. What's the top? It's not gonna go. It's not gonna reach up here. That's for sure. I think. Yeah, it's losing momentum. I don't know if we can cross that. Okay, let's watch that. So what's the next line? This is the next line for this one, the one that just went off. So I'll put another alarm here and see if it goes below this. And then if it does, see, I think it's just gonna bounce around here, especially after this big drop. But that's the crazy thing, man. I don't know. That's the one I just looked at, right? How come the zoom is not staying? Okay. Man, it struggled to go past here, right? This is the one from before. So it's pretty close. Let me center this one. It's gonna split it in half. See, it dropped at the open from 527, and it got down to 432, which is almost $1, and it went back past that. But before so basically the pre-market high, recent high, 549. So if you wrote that from 431 to 540, that's $1. Man, that's the scary part about the market, man. I'm just guessing. You know, this one's gonna keep dropping. It's probably gonna bounce off of this one, and I'm gonna guess it's gonna start kind of consolidating. So we won't. I don't know if we'll be able to see this until closer to the end of the day, which I'm probably not gonna be trading by then. Unless I decide to do some swing trades, since I can do as many of those as I want. But the swing trade, what's the word? Strategy. It's way different than what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm just looking at the ones with the most volume, or the ones that are kind of, it looks like it's getting buzz. And so that's the easiest way without doing too much of the fundamental research that I should have been doing last night, but I didn't because I was playing too many games. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if this thing bounces off. About to get there. Get the alarm. So it's probably going to trigger the alarm and then bounce back up. I don't know if it's worth it though, because what's the bottom? What's the next? Oh, let's see. I don't want to risk that. So if it hits, right now it's a 432. It could drop another $1 just before it sees any resistance. So I don't know if that's worth it. You know what I mean? Let's put some more music. What was this stuff? I forget. I think it's gonna be a little bit trappy. Not trappy. Okay. Just keep it in the background for now. Bring it down. I mean, what do you think here, guys? It's a biotechnology. It doesn't have a lot of momentum, so I don't know. Yeah, let's look at this one again. It just keeps dropping. And I can't short, so I'm not going to be shorting today. So I can't really go into a trade that's going down. Yeah, RTPs are crossed again. This one's just dropping too much. Yeah, I don't know if this one's going to do anything today since I can't short. This one, same. A lot of sellers. I wish I could short. So right now I'm thinking I'm gonna keep the positions that I have in Robinhood now until I have to sell them, and then I'm gonna transfer that money over to TD Ameritrade, to the Thinkorswim, and so that eventually I'll have $25,000 in here and be able to do some more actual day trading. But it's gonna take a while, which is good because I need to do a lot of practicing, a lot of learning, a lot of research. This one's consolidating. See how it's kind of really wide. Let's see. Just out of pure curiosity, I wonder if it's. I wonder if it's gonna follow anything like that. It's too crazy looking. See, top, bottom, top. This is the bottom right here. Yeah, I'm gonna take that off for now. I don't think it's gonna follow that line. And this one. What is that? Down from the previous day, all up and down along the close from the previous day, below the previous day, below the previous day. We started above it, but I think it's gonna go all the way down to it. I'm not really looking at the RSI or the MACD, just because it doesn't feel like it's as reliable as people. I think people give it too much credit. You know what I mean? But I'm just learning, so maybe I'm wrong. Probably. See, it's going from 10.02 to 10.09. Obviously, if I just buy one share, it's only a couple of pennies. But as long as I'm up, that's the key. I'm just gonna practice so that I'm up. XFL market is below, so that was gonna keep dropping. I think they're all pretty much gonna keep dropping. How low can it go? Let's see, already went past this one. That's probably gonna be another one right here. So let's mark it just to see. Now we're going 2 days back. So this is Friday. This is Thursday. So we're looking, it's already below what, Thursday, but above Wednesday. So let's see if that means anything. I mean, to be honest though, even if I could short right now, I'm just not knowledgeable enough to be able to do that right now with confidence, especially when you consider the risk. If I do start shorting, which you know, it makes sense right now. It makes common sense to put a stop loss on it or cover, whatever they call it for the short. But I gotta get good at doing that consistently before I start shorting. Because what if I forget on one of them? You know what I mean? I short and I forget to put a cover on it on the top. Then it could just blow up my account, you know, immediately. This one just keeps dropping. Sorry for the yawning, guys. Like I said, it's 4 o'clock here in Hawaii, and the market opens at 3:30. I've tried waking up before the market opens, try to go to sleep early and then wake up before the market opens, but yeah, I can't do that. So I've been having to stay up until a couple hours after the market opens. I don't intend to stay in front of the monitor for how long? How long is the market open? 9:30 to 4. 7.5 hours. No. Yeah, 7.5 hours, right? I can't do the math in my head. 6.5 hours. So yeah, I don't plan to look at the screen for 6.5 hours, especially if I will have to wake up at 3:30 or before 3:30 to get ready. This one's just gonna keep dropping. I mean, it's following that channel right there. See, this is another one right here. So like this is the top. Like it touches here, but it doesn't touch on the next one. It touches here and it touches here. Is it gonna touch on the next one, or is it gonna go up? You see what I'm saying? So we can argue that this could have changed into an uptrend if this becomes a higher low. It's crazy. Look at how even that looks. Look at the wicks end right here, almost on a perfect line. But then the actual bottoms, top, bottom, the actual candle ends on a downward motion. Yep, it's up. So you could say this the change right here. You know what I mean? So what would be the trigger? What do you guys think? Anybody know more than no? Everybody knows more than me, but anybody know what to look for right here? I guess I could make a line, but there's no second point because it's still being established. It could be a change. Oh man, guys, it is tough to play the market. Oh, look at this! How did I miss this? Yeah. Oh, okay. I put the alarm way up here. That's why. This mark is above. Okay. So another one. So that's two already. I gotta find a new top for these. These are my Robinhood stuff positions. So this one, look at how pretty that is. Up. Something like this. Yeah. New top. Oh wow, that's got a long way to go. Past here. So let's put our alarm up here. That's a long way to go though. I'm sorry guys. I'm trying to get used to this new schedule, but I got in trouble today for Mother's Day. She doesn't watch my stream, so yeah, I think she's still awake. So mark that one. What was the other one? The other one was ring. RNG. RNG. Oh, this is like a new high, so I'm gonna bring this alarm so that if it goes below here, I'll get a notification. Look at that. Pretty good, right? So that's why I still have stuff on Robinhood, because right now pretty much all of them are going up. What happened here? Oh, okay. They're pretty much all going up, so I'm gonna hold them until they start flattening out. It's the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 5. Actually, no. I should have been on the 1. I should have been on the 1 minute. What is this? It's like a W. I've never seen that one before. I wonder if this other line right here means anything. Let's mark it. Nah, it's okay. It looks like it's going up, huh? $442. Looking at potentially 520. Nope, it's going back down. Look at that. 430. 523. That's $1 right there. Gotta get my confidence up, guys. I got to. Oh, look at this one. This one made it on the top. Let's mark it. What is? I've seen this one before. What is this? Is this? That's not the cup and handle, right? Where's it gonna go down? It's gonna go down to. See, it's gonna be a higher high right here. And it's gonna start moving up. Just look how many times it touched down here. Volume is low though. I'm looking at RSI. It's just not dropping. How far is it gonna go? It's gonna go to here. RTTR. They're all going down. It's interesting that these are going down, but the ones in Robinhood are going up. Oh, what's happening right there? See, this is the reason why most people trade in the morning when the market first open, because that's where the volume is heading. You know what I mean? And in the last hour, it's another time where people can try to go in and try to do swings or try to do some scalping before the end. It's going back up. It's going to pass this line right here. Yep. Most likely. Sorry about. Is it going to explode? Let me get rid of these. See. Just gonna keep going. What's that? 60.59 right here. 60.58. Oh, it dropped. Drop quick. That's another resistance right here. This one's just dropping down. Let's see how close it follows this line. Oy. Down, down, down until here. SQQQ. I guess good thing I have the microphone in front of my face, right? I've been yawning like crazy. Oh, look at that 10. Oh. Something's happening outside. I can't tell if it's a fight or just people being drunk. I should put a webcam outside. Catch all the fights. Right now the bar's closed, so people haven't fought in a while, but it's crazy how many people fight. It's crazy how many times different stocks look exactly the same. The graphs. See, this looks like it's about to crack. But even if it cracks, so this is 20. Let's say cracks this line here, which doesn't look like it. Yeah, how come I didn't get an alarm? What's going on? That's weird. Starting to go flat right here. So it's struggling to get to this support line, which could be good and bad. The other one that notified me even. What do you guys think about? What do you guys think about the music? It's what I use for my vlogs because I gotta keep them family friendly since my girls watch them all the time. Looks like it's changing right here. See that? When did I put this one? Did I just put this one? Put that earlier, right? It's probably from previous day, and that's where it bounced. So I wonder if that's gonna be, if it's gonna kind of bounce around a little bit and then go down, or if it's gonna bounce around and then break this line. And if it does, then I might buy one share. If it breaks this line, I'll buy one share. So I'm gonna put an alarm. Let's say I'll put an alarm right there. If it breaks, I might buy it since it's select sector trust. What is that, ETF? I'm not even sure. Financials. This one's going flat, so it took this initial plunge and then it just stayed pretty flat, so it's just been bouncing back and forth. SSRM below. So that's the first one from my portfolio. What's going on right here? Gotta change to the day view for this one because otherwise all the lines don't make sense. Day. Oh wait, no, that was from before. Okay, that happened Friday. It's not looking good though. Market below. If it gets to this red line right here, I'm probably gonna sell because it was I came in at, what is that, 12.95, and it hit this high right here, so I don't want to lose those gains. So if it hits this red line, I'm gonna sell. Cause isn't that a weird, like, isn't that a weird turn right here? So it's moving up, and then all of a sudden, after a little small pushes, it just drops. that today? That is today. That is today. Yeah, because that's the previous day's close. That's not good. Oh, that is today. Oh, man. So it has been kind of staying tight here. So if it gets close to this line, it's going to be decision point. Decision making time right there. Either I lose the gains that I have, or I try to assume it's going to recover and keep going higher. Let's look at this right here. Before it was at 1942, so that's a potential high right there. Uh-oh. Oh man, it is going down. Jeez. What am I doing? Oh, see, that's the danger of being tired doing this. Low. Oh man. That is going to be this decision point right there. It's doing good too. Yeah, I bought it back here and it went up a little bit and then dropped below where I bought it and it just started climbing after that. But now I'm getting nervous. Yeah, let's go back to these guys. And we're doing the 1 minute. Yeah, that one's just settling in. Can't pronounce anything right now. That looks like an uptrend. That looks like higher highs. I'm starting to get too many lines right there. There's so much going on. What's next? Silent partner. Let's listen to that guy. Normally I've been going to sleep at 7, so but I had to wake up. I had to wake myself up today because it was Mother's Day, and I had to try to do something and just stay asleep. Look at that. See, now this one became the support line right here. You know what I mean? So it looks like this one's irrelevant now. But something has to happen, right? So it's just staying within this top line and staying flat right here. Touch once, touch twice. Is it gonna go through, or it's gonna bounce up and go through here? I think it's 4:30, an hour after it opened. I don't think much is gonna happen. Look at the volume, it's just flat. It's probably gonna go like this. I do have coffee and cream, but I'm lazy to get up right now. Look at how they follow these lines. I made these lines earlier. See that? Science. But the volume, man. What do you do when the volume is so low? This one's staying in that funnel right there, up and down. Hold on, guys. I'm just checking the stream here. Oh, never mind. Okay, I'm back. What happened? It's going up. It's going up, but just gotta make some kind of a decision soon. Volume. Volume average 50, 400. I don't know what those numbers mean. Yep, see, this is still flat. What's this one doing? Yep, I broke this one, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. It's flat. What's going on right here? So this is the flat. I hit twice right here. Wait. And then it went down. Big jump. Broke right past that. But then it came back down. Rebound. So it broke this previous. Is it gonna go up now? Should I buy? Should I buy this one? What do you guys think? Ugh, it's gonna go up. I don't know. I'm gonna buy a 1 share, guys. 1 share. 1 share of this one. Send. Okay, failed. All right, guys. So I did it. I bought 1 share of United Airlines at $23.69. $23.69 right here. So it should go past here. Man, if it doesn't break through here, I am screwed. Because by the time I see the action, you know, like the actual trigger, the movement, it's gonna be too late. I'm gonna be, oh, actually, maybe not. But okay, so let me make a line here. We're gonna do a price line. Price. Okay, right here. And then we're gonna do 20. Oh, it's okay. We're gonna click here, and then we're gonna do 23.6999. And we're gonna make that green. That's gonna be my entry point. Okay. Oh, of course. See, that's what I'm saying, guys. That's what I'm saying. Right at where I bought. Because I was looking at down here. If it goes past this line, I'm gonna sell, take my loss. I'm gonna cut my losses right here. I'm gonna put a, what is this? I'm gonna put a stop loss. See, some people put stop losses on there. You know what I don't like about that? Yeah, it's gonna down. See, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, still going down. So what was it? 23.69. 23.62. I'm looking down here. Okay, looks like it's recovering 63. 63. So it broke this pattern already. So that's irrelevant now. Because now we're looking at this bottom here. Yep, and it's okay. Decision point. So I bought up here. It's down here. You guys know? Okay, I think. So that is 1%. No, how do you? That's 23 cents. So potentially lose 23 cents to go past this one and maybe hit up here at 24, which would be 30 cents. What? That doesn't make sense. This wouldn't be 23 cents. This would be 20 cents. 21 cents. It's a second bounce. I think it's gonna cross. No, I'm not too confident. So when I buy it, I want to mark it with that blue line so I know where I have put it. Yep. This is the part that makes me nervous, guys. You know what I mean? Now money's in there. And I know it's not a lot of money. It's just 1 share, but look at that. It's the decisions, man. It's still following that trend line. Oh no, this one, right? See? So either I drew wrong or yeah, maybe it shouldn't have gone all the way to the top. I should have adjusted it. It's all perspective, man. It's all how you look at it. You know. So where you put the lines. So once it gets down here, it's gonna be decision point. If it goes past this line, I'm out. I'm gonna take a loss. This is just gonna go. It's gonna keep going. I'm already down 13 cents. What's the percentage on that? Oh man, that's how you learn. So now I gotta watch this one. I mean, I already crossed it. So now I crossed this line already. So another question is, it's gonna cross this one. Let me give myself some more room here. It can touch it, but it can't cross it. If it does, I'm out. Whew. It's crazy. 11 cents are making me sweat. 10 cents. So another question is, do I wait until this line is crossed, and that's the pattern that we're looking at right now? Or, like, if it bounces from here, do I just sell it? Because it might go down here, but I'll still be negative. Or do I keep it and hopefully it bounces, crashes through, and goes past this? Right now it's pushing hard. Okay, negative 5 cents, 4 cents. Okay, so now we're looking at 23.7, right? So this is 23.66. 66, still 68, 69, 70. I'm up. Oh, 68, 69, 68. See all these 68s right here? 69, 8, 9. Switching 7, 0, 6, 9. I mean, it crossed that line. So, is it gonna cross this one? I'm up 3 cents, 4 cents. We're at 74. Oh, that's a big jump. 74. Nice. 73, 74, 72. Dropping down. $76, $77. Nice, good. What does it need to cross? If it gets close to 80, then it might be good. 73, 73, 75. So right now I'm up 6 cents. And it's 75, 76, 75 again. There you go. Uh-oh, 75. Oh, maybe he's not gonna make it. What are you gonna do, United? What are you going to do? See, it's starting to drop. I could have made my 2 cents already. How far is it gonna go? This is lower. This is higher. Right now it's lower lows. And look at that big ass drop. -4 cents. Right now, this is gonna be the challenge right here. I'll take that one off. This is the question. 23.56. Higher highs right now. What are you going to do, United? See, this is higher highs right here. Man, it's all how you look at it. It's crazy. Right? I mean, I can easily make this line and be like, oh, it's going up. Oops. It's going up, and it's coming up to this moving average up here on top, the 200 moving average. I think that's what this is. No. What is that? Oh, that's a VWAP. I mean, it looks like it's going up, right? Am I just fooling myself? What is this thing doing? This thing's interesting, man. I'm break even right now. I'm on my break even. Let's see, that last one didn't drop as much. It's a good sign. What is he gonna do now? What are you going to do now? It's going up. How high do you plan to go? Oh. I do have some other fancy studies, but I don't know if I should. Oh, what was I doing? Okay, right here. So load cloud. So this cloud supposedly. So I don't know if you guys seen this before, but right now see how it shows red. That means it's all negative. And if we're looking at this green line, is it the green one? Let me check. Yeah, the green one. So whatever the green one shows, we do the 1 minute. Yeah, right now it's showing showing uptrend. So the way it works is it tells you when the downtrend, as far as like how the selling, it averages out the previous prices, and it tells you when it starts becoming a downtrend, and then an uptrend. So the little arrows that it automatically puts up there, and the color changes. So you can see I came in somewhere over here, right when it started to go down. Or was it here? No, right here. Right here. There was an uptrend. I bought it, and then it still says uptrend though. It only showed the downtrend right up here. So you can see the volume is just dropping so much. I don't think too much is gonna happen from this point on. Right now I'm down 10 cents, which doesn't sound like a lot, but that's with one share. So now imagine, so like let's say I was going in, I don't know, if I have a $25,000 account, I'm probably not gonna put more than 20%, maybe even 10%, which would be 2,500. So that'd be close to 70. That'd be 105 shares. So every cent, no, 105. So every cent is $10. So I'd be $110 down if I did the 10% risk portfolio risk size, whatever they call that. Look at that, it went to this line already. Which line are you gonna follow? Does that make sense? So right now it's only because it's one share, but if I bought 100 shares, every penny changed is $100. Oh, $10. So that'd be $100 down right now. And you're gonna cross this line? Yep. Looks like it. I'm looking at this right here. What are you gonna do right there? Oh man, I think I'm gonna have to sell this SSRM. Look at that big drop right there. What is going on? Press release. I'm gonna have to Google this thing, man. How do you open up the link? That's well, I'm looking at the gold to combine and stock swap. SSR mining Alistair Gold to combine and stock swap. What does that mean? Armando said it agreed to combine with fellow gold miner Alistair Gold Corp in a stock swap. I wonder if this Alistair Gold Corp is a bad company. Let me do some quick research, guys. Really quick. Yeah, that one's dropping today too, 7%. It's 545. Oh, that's fine. Right? I don't know. I don't know what to think. Let's go back to UAL. Okay, 2 cents. Oh man, it's crazy. 0.04 cents down, and it's going back down. I mean, it bounced again from that one right there. So right now it looks like I mean, it's still staying with this pattern right here. See that? This uptrend. I heard somebody say that they don't count wicks, just the candles. What do you guys think about this song? I haven't used it on any of my vlogs, but very rock and roll. No. See, the only thing I don't like is that this higher highs stop way up here. You know what I mean? So this line is no longer relevant. Ship mark. Ship mark is below. See, I'm up 2 cents. What is it gonna do? Is it gonna go? What are you gonna do, my friend? Are you gonna go past this? Tell me. Coming back down. 71. 69. I'm gonna break even right now. 70. So, in case you're wondering, I'm looking down here. This are the orders that this is level 2. The orders that are up. People that put orders. And so it pretty much tells you what the trend is going to be, because you can see what people are bidding. So if people start bidding lower and lower and lower, then that's going to bring this down, obviously. That's how I understand it anyways. And then this on the strip over here on the right side, those are the ones that are actually gone through. Right here, these are all the orders at that price. And these are the orders sold at this prices here. What are you going to do? What does this look like to you guys? It looks like it's consolidating, right? See, the problem with consolidating is that it slows down the movement, so the momentum is pretty much slowing down or going up and down. It looks like, for example, this one's going to be flat somewhere around 23.65, which is below my entry point. See, about up here. Thinking, okay, right here, yeah, it was too early. Definitely too early. I started seeing this higher highs. So I figured, okay, if it crosses here, then it's gonna shoot up, which it eventually did, but over here, which means I should have waited until it touched here again. Yeah, see how very little movement there is? That's just the momentum slowing down. And it's gonna come back down. It's gonna be a test. I mean, I don't think it's gonna touch 3 times. I think it's gonna be 2. And it's gonna go short and shoot up, or it's gonna go right through it. But my plan is to exit here. So, alright, hold on. Let me do the math real quick. So I bought it at 23.699 times, no, not times, minus 10%. 2369. What? Oh, 21. No way. I'm not gonna wait until it goes to 21. Why did I say 10%? I'm crazy. Let's go 2%. 23.699 minus 2%. 2%. 23.22. Still, if I wanted to drop that much, oh, see, it didn't. Oh, okay. I mean, it didn't touch here. So is it gonna shoot up? Or is it gonna keep doing that all the way down? This it didn't. I mean, that's a touch right there. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if it's gonna. See, that's 3 touches on top. That means it tried 3 times and it failed. But see, now it's down here. Let me move to the 5 minutes just to see how that looks. Because I'm trying to get you know, overanalyze craziness. Yeah, see how flat it is? What are you gonna do, my friend? What are you going to do? Man, I'm getting tired. We gotta pick an exit. Is it gonna be 23.47 or 23.46 or 23.59? Push, my friend. Push. Come on. Push. Push. Don't embarrass me in front of all of my friends. Come on. You know you want to. Come on. Just light on the other side, my friend. Come on. Oh, I see red. Oh. What's going on this side? Man, that volume is dying out. I see blue. Still see blue. I see blue. Oh, it's gonna drop right there. Man, this is why when when people trade, they talk about greed and fear. You know what I mean? Those are the 2 things you need to be able to control. Supposedly. Oh, there it is. Oh, come on. Crash. Yeah, buddy. 74. Nice. I'm up 5 cents. Remember, that'd be $50 if I was if I bought 100 shares. Nice. 174. 74. 73, 74. That was a quick 74. So 74 strong, so 75. A lot of 75s. 74, 73, 2. 71, 72. A lot of 72s. Oh, thank you. Oh, come on. Stay strong, my friend. Come on. 72, 71. 72, 71. 72 is quick. Yep, quick again. 72, okay, staying strong. We got 72. What's gonna be next? Come on, 73. Come on, 73. 74, nice. Good. Stay strong. I mean, you already crashed at the ceiling, my friend. Come on, just might as well keep going. 75. How far am I gonna go? 4%. What's 4%? So 2, 3. See, I should have done this. I should have had this done already. Plus 4% equals 2464. 2464. Man, it's gotta go. It's not gonna go that much. See, I could have been, obviously, woulda, coulda, shoulda. 2357, 2374. Let's just call it even 20 cents, $200. I need to put $25,000 on this console. Ooh, look at that. My entry point just became that support. Nice. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. That means hopefully it'll stay above that. So it has been higher highs so far. Right? Oh, there you go. It's crashing now. Crashing. It's crashing. What happened? You got scared. Nope. It's not gonna make it. Yeah, that's 3 red right there, back to back. It's gonna go right past that. Consolidating. You got that flag. You got that flag building. It's gonna crash. I'm just gonna watch it. Oh goodness. It crashed right through there. What's it gonna do once it gets to this line? What are you gonna do at 2356? Keeping that trend, man. Crash. Not crash. Explode. Go higher. 72. $74. Struggling. It's struggling across that. 75. Come on, 76. Come on. I'm looking at the level 2, by the way. Here it is. There it is. Push. Nice. Push. Come on. How high? There you go. How high can you go? Oh, never mind. You know you want to go higher, man. Just do it. Just go higher. Sky's the limit for you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Mm. Isn't this fun, guys? Don't you want this to be your job? Hooray. We should move to like the East Coast, so this gets easier. See, my entry is still acting as a support for now. What are we doing? Go higher and higher and 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 higher. Yeah, higher. Boom boom. Go do it. It's you. All you. Push it higher and higher. I like the song. Stay above that green line. Stay above the green. The green. I'm gonna check out what else is going on over here. Consolidation. That's a big drop. Yeah, that's still staying in that channel. Channel. Ooh, that one went high. Let's see, what was it? It went from 21.78, 21.87, 10 cents. Not crazy. Channel. Down. Cross screen. What you sell right now? Stay above that line, my friend. Come on. It's funny. My entry point is gonna be like the center for all this. What do you call that? Oscillation. Come on. What's your sell? What's your sell? I'm gonna give you another shot. Let's see if you can stay above this line. Oh man, that's going hard. Volume is going up a little bit too. Hmm. Okay. Still holding. All right. At least it looks like it's still holding. We'll see. It's going up. Oh my gosh, guys, this is tougher than I thought. I thought the adrenaline was going to keep me awake, but I guess it needs to be $5,000 or something. Yeah, I'm gonna go test it again. Right here. I mean, that pattern changed already. You should sell. I wonder what traders with like 20, 30 years experience are thinking right now. If they saw me, they'd be like, what is this guy doing? Okay, let's see if this line right here. This song reminds me of one of the games that I've been playing recently. Not one, some of the games I've been playing recently. It's consolidating right where I bought. That's crazy. RDNT. RDNT, what are you doing, buddy? You give me money? Yup. Noise. Radnet. Oh, but that's just the minutes. Day. Got a long way to go. Wait, how come it's... I guess I was negative on it. Now I'm up. Okay. It's good. 1 minute. Oh. You wanna hold up? At least they went into a funnel now instead of consolidation. I don't know what happened with consolidation, but with funnels you can see the path, you can see the road that it's taking. Oh God, guys, this is why not everybody's doing day trading. I want to say something, but I think as soon as I say it, the opposite is going to happen. A pulp mark is below, all of them are dropping. So I wanted to say that if it gets above that green line, I'm selling. I'm so tired. But now it's not gonna go. Uh-oh, I'm gonna fall asleep. Looking at this monitor. I wonder if there's any actual day traders here in Hawaii. I mean, if it's their career, they're probably, well, I was gonna say if it's their career, they probably don't want to live in Hawaii, which is the farthest from when the market opens and closes. But it could be down by, if it is, it could be down by at 10 in the morning and be able to go out to the beach whenever they want. So a surfer would probably love being a surfer slash trader. They probably love to be in Hawaii. Keep climbing. Just keep climbing. Come on, man. Push through that line right there. Come on. Push. Do it. Come on, 74. Push. Oh. Come on. I'll put some good music for you. Crash. There it is. There it is. 77. There you go. Push. Push. I should sell and take my profit right now. Ooh. Okay, this is where it goes from fear to greed. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Should I sell? Should I sell my one share? Don't get greedy. 80. Up 10 cents, 12, 13. Come on. I saw a wall of red on the right side. You going? Come on, you going? Push, 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 push. Uh-oh. Am I being greedy? Am I being greedy? Am I being greedy? Should I take it? Come on. Cross over. Keep going up. 82. 84. Come on. Ooh, 83. What are we doing? What are we doing? I'm gonna hit sell the bid. Right? Oh, should I do it? Should I do it? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it. Okay. Alright guys, I'm up 13 cents. Keep in mind, if I bought 100 shares, which I plan once I get better at it, that would have been 130 bucks. 2 hours? 2 hours, not too bad. Oh, it's probably gonna keep going too. Oh man. I want to see just a little longer if I make the right decision. Man, look at that. I'm about over here. And look at all the ups and downs. That was a bad entry. Ah, it's coming down. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. It was good. It was nice. I got it. I got it. Uh-huh. Know it. You know it. Mm, mm, mm. It's a down and an up and a down. See? Silly rabbit. I know it's woulda, shoulda, coulda, but I came in here. Immediately it dropped. My voice is fading, guys. But look at that. Like who would have came in here though? Nobody, right? Because you're just gonna assume they're gonna keep going. Even if you see it bounce and it starts taking off, like it did right here when I got in. Let's see you get in right around here, 2361. You still would have been under at least one more time, and you have to be confident enough to get it up there. Oh, okay. So today was a success, guys, in my opinion. Obviously, I'm still training. Feel like I'm. Oh, there you go. So go back up. I feel like I'm borderline delusional, but I think I got it. You know what I mean? I didn't get too greedy, even though now I'm looking at it go back up. But once I got 25,000 in there, I can start. I don't know if I'm gonna do a margin account. I guess I have to if I want to be able to short. But the first goal, the first achievement that I want to achieve is to have a nice, consistent winning streak. You know what I mean? Maybe 3-4 wins for every loss. Look at that. Mother sucker. Where did I sell that? 2382. I'm gonna mark it. What do I want to mark it with? Let's do I think it was this one over here, right? Let's mark it just so. Yeah, it's about to cross right where I sold. Oh man. 2382. Something obvious. Blue. Yeah, let's see the blue. Okay, so that's my N. Way over here. Right there. I guess. No, just be accurate. So that was my N, and I waited this whole time to sell up here. Look at that. Look at that. If I would have just tracked it, I don't know. I'm so used to the AARs in the Army, the after action reviews, where you kind of, see what you did good, what you did bad. I think that was a bad entry. But how would I know? I'm doubting myself because there's 1, 2, 3 after a bounce, right? A bounce that I have already put on there. See how this line that was there from the previous day, from when I zoomed out and was looking at yesterday, Friday. And so I went in here, and I could have gone in here, and I could have gone in here, and it all showed reversals right here. And it's just gonna keep going. Look at that. Now this is gonna be the support. Watch. Right where I sold. See? See that? Isn't that crazy? That's crazy, right? Like it's almost like it's looking at my map, my chart here. Like it was coming down, and then it bounced right here. Now it crossed it, but still, that is crazy. Okay, so that took 2 hours. It took 2 hours to do something that would have literally taken a minute. Look at that. From here to here. And that would have been, it's 13 cents, but it would have been 130. I mean, obviously, I think my decision making would have changed if it was, $2,500. If it was 100 shares instead of just the one. I would have probably like freaked out way back here, like probably up here when it started dropping, and sold for like $10 or something. But we won't know, I guess. Look at that. Look at that, man. Like literally a cent. A cent below where I sold is a new resistance support, and it's just going to keep going higher, right? Why wouldn't it? Look at that. I mean, why wouldn't it go higher? Why wouldn't this go this way? Look at that. I wonder if it's going to happen. Yep, look at that. Oh my god. Even if I would have kept it and decided that my break-even point would have been my sell point, see, I would still have space, and it would have just been boom, boom. I mean, right now it would have been another 17 cents or 170, however you want to look at it. And it's just gonna keep going. Ugh. Look at that. Look at that. It's just pushing. And it's just pushing. And I'm just watching. I guarantee if I go in right now, it's gonna drop. It's very interesting. Why are people jumping in all of a sudden? When you think about the psychology of this, you know what I mean? I'm sure there's tons of people, thousands of people watching these graphs right here. And what made him decide that this was a point to just go for it? Why did these guys start pumping money in here and not over here? This is pretty crazy. Look at that. It's gonna keep going. Look at that. It's gonna keep going. It's gonna keep going. 1 second. No, not a second. 1 minute. Yeah, this took 1 minute. Oh. Up, right here. It's gonna go past this one already. Hmm. 82 plus 22 more cents. More than woulda, coulda, shoulda. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna end it right here. It's time for me to go to sleep. Yeah, today. Oh, it is stopping now. So today, I think it was a success. I could have probably done a little bit better if I would have improved my entry and been a little bit more balanced between my fear and my greed. But day one. Thank you for looking on the wrong camera. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. If you like this video, if you watch it this long, I'm probably gonna do like a highlight because it's a 2-hour stream, and I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So, if you watched this far, I appreciate it. Thank you. Hope that you learned something or that you saw something that I did wrong, so you can correct me on it or give me some tips, some hints. And thank you for watching. See you guys. And let me go over to the transition. And bye bye.